Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is Wireless Security System, a smart way to protect your house with the Amcrest Smart Home Security System. This 7-piece kit includes the 2 PIR motion sensor, 4 windows and door sensors, and 1 alarm hub. Smart Alarm System. Amcrest Smart Home Alarm Security System is an affordable solution for your home business security. You have full control over the window, door alarms for home security through the smartphone, Smart Home app, and get instant notifications of alarm alerts in your house or business. Customizable. You can add extra door and window sensors, PIR motion detectors to different rooms in your home, business security systems. It supports the expansion of up to 32 door, window sensors and PIR motion sensors, which can be added to the Wi-Fi alarm station. DIY installation. Easily set up the Amcrest Smart Home Alarm Kit wireless home security system in minutes without tools. The wireless connection devices don't damage the wall. The alarm station should always connect via the USB cable to the AC adapter. Simple, reliable, secure. You'll receive a full 1-year US warranty and lifetime support provided directly from Amcrest. The number 3 on the list is Choosing a right product is not easy. We always choose products after different experiments. Open black lens bracket, easy and quick installation and removal. No monthly fees. Close black lens bracket. Also no installation costs or contracts required. Buy your equipment up front and self-monitor. Everything you need comes in a box and works in any small business, house, condo or rental apartment. If you want to avoid the tedious process of running cables on your property or have tenant contract restrictions or want to avoid spending money on a professional installation, this system is for you. Open black lens bracket, plug and play system. Close black lens bracket. You don't need to be a techie person to set this up. Just plug the mini alarm hub into an electrical outlet, wherever there is 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection. Screw the PIR motion sensor to a surface and stick on the door, window sensor using the provided double-sided 3M tape and you are ready to go. The sensors come pre-configured so they will connect to the hub as soon as you connect the OSI Mini hub to your Wi-Fi network via the Smart Life app. Open black lens bracket protection for break-ins and emergencies. Close black lens bracket. Be the first to know when doors and windows open. Link all your OSI Wi-Fi alarm components and pair them to your mobile devices with the OSI Alarm Hub. Get help as soon as you need it by placing the wireless display hub within reach to press the panic button, SOS, to quickly sound the siren. The system has adjustable entry delay and exit delay timers. If entry delay is set to 0 seconds, it will trigger the alarm immediately in case of an intruder. Open black lens bracket, ever. Open black lens bracket, everything you need in one box. Close black lens bracket, 1X OSI Wi-Fi mini alarm hub with built-in speaker which simply plugs into any electrical outlet. 1X wireless PIR motion detector. 1X wireless door, window sensor, and 2X wireless remote controllers. As your needs grow over time, so does the OSI Wi-Fi alarm system. Open black lens bracket expandable. Close black lens bracket. If you decide to move into a larger home or office and need to expand your system with more door, window sensors or PIR motion sensors, you can buy more and set up in minutes. Connect up to 50 accessories in total. See more product details. The number 2 on the list is many positives. Reviews for this product are available on different forums and communities. Open black lens bracket, easy and quick installation and removal and no monthly fees. Close black lens bracket. There are absolutely no monthly fees, installation costs, or contracts required. Buy your equipment up front and self-monitor. Everything you need comes in a box and works in any small business, house, condo or rental apartment. If you want to avoid the tedious process of running cables on your property or have tenant contract restrictions or want to avoid spending money on a professional installation, this system is for you. Open black lens bracket, complete control from Smart Life app. Close black lens bracket. This self-monitoring system allows you to arm and disarm the system, get notifications, set alarm modes, sync all your OSI alarm devices and monitor them from the Smart Life app. If Wi-Fi isn't available, you will need to use your phone's data plan. When you receive event notifications, you control over making the decision to contact the local authorities. Open black lens bracket, protection for break-ins and emergencies. Close black lens bracket. Be the first to know when doors and windows open. Link all your OSI Wi-Fi alarm components and pair them to your mobile devices with the OSI alarm panel. Get help as soon as you need it by placing the wireless display hub within reach to press the panic button, SOS, to quickly sound the siren. Open black lens bracket, 1080p HD and 130 degrees wide angle and night vision. Close black lens bracket. OSI Smart Outdoor Security Bullet Camera is equipped with 2.1 megapixel HD lens and 130 degrees wide angle, which delivers crystal clear and smooth video day and night. Protect your home wherever you are. IR night vision up to 32 feet for extreme low light coverage, ensuring your high-quality view of your home even in the dark. Open black lens bracket, compatible with Alexa and multi-family members sharing. Close black lens bracket. Perfectly compatible with Alexa, Echo Show, and Google Assistant. Ask Alexa to show your front door, garage, or anywhere else. This OSI Smart Bullet Camera also supports multiple users to view videos simultaneously. You can share videos with family or friends anytime and anywhere. The number 1 on the list is safe and secure. Ward off would-be intruders with a 120 decibel alarm triggered by a high-quality magnetic sensor. Or choose for a chime to sound when windows or doors are opened and closed. User-friendly features an easy-to-use off-chime alarm switch on the side of the alarm to let you choose your preference of alert. Comes in a set of 4 to provide extra coverage for your home. Easy install. Experience wire and hassle-free mounting with the included double-sided tape. Everything you need is included in the box. Battery operated. Powered by 4 LR44 button batteries. Included. And features a battery test button and low battery indicator LED. Peace of mind. These home security products are designed and tested to fortify your home with a Reliable layer of protection, empowering you to live your life free of worry. See more product details.